Hello my fellow composers and welcome to the Composing Cook. Are you ready for my lamb kofta swirls? I am so excited to be sharing this recipe with you all. Let's begin. In my bowl I have 475 grams lamb mince. Anything between 450 and 500 grams is absolutely fine, okay? I'm going to add my little concoction of herbs and spices. I will list them right here for you, okay? All you have to do is add the spices and the herbs to the lamb. Get in with your hands and give it a good mix. What I have here is shop bought puff pastry. This weighs 375 grams, so anything between 350 and 400 grams is absolutely fine. Let's unroll it. All you have to do is take your meat and put it on the pastry and basically spread it out as much as you can. I've got some egg here which I've beaten and I'm just going to go around the edges like so. That's done. Notice I've kept the pastry on the greaseproof paper it came on. This just makes it easy to roll, which I'm going to attempt to do right now. So you want to take the long end. The easiest thing is to gather the edge like this to begin with, then slowly just start rolling it. Make sure the edging here is nicely sealed. Perfect. So I'm just going to egg wash the entire roll like so. I've just transferred the roll onto a board so I can cut it into slices now. Okay, so let's go about halfway, cut that, then each half into. So I've got 4 pieces now and I'm going to cut each quarter into 3s. So in total I've got 12 little portions. So I've got 2 baking trays here which I have lined with greaseproof paper. I'm going to put 6 on each. And with the egg wash that I had left, I'm just going to put some on top of each like so. So all we have to do now is put these in the oven and we'll come back when they're done. Okay, let's remove them from the oven. What I would recommend is you leave them on the baking tray for about 2 minutes and then we will serve them up, okay? Take it all in. So there you have it, my fellow composers, my lamb kofta swirls. These go amazingly well with my kale tabbouleh, the perfect combination. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!